So the new Falling is stepping into emotional and controversial territory with a slow burn story about faith, temptation, and unexpected connection. The series centers around Anna, played by Keely Havas, a nun living a deeply disciplined life inside a strict religious community, and David, played by Papa Esida, a priest responsible for guiding young girls who are considering becoming nuns. The story begins when David brings a group of teenage girls to Anna's nunnery, so they can experience religious life firsthand. On one of the girls, Tina is seriously considering dedicating her life to becoming a nun, while her mother believes she is far too young and confused to make such a huge decision. Inside the convent, the rules are extremely strict. The women are expected to completely devote themselves to faith, disconnect from modern life, and even live without mobile phone or outside distraction. The atmosphere immediately feels intense and emotionally isolating. At first, Anna and David don't exactly connect. Their personality clash and there's visible tension between them. But as the story unfolds, an unexpected emotional bond slowly begins to develop after a small accidental moment brings them closer together. While David spends most of his days listening to bizarre confession from church members and dealing with the emotional exhaustion of priesthood, Anna quietly spends her time helping elderly people and carrying out responsibility outside the convent walls. Slowly, the series starts asking its biggest question: are these two religious figures beginning to fall for each other? And if they are, what happens when their feelings become impossible to hide? The show takes its time building the emotional tension, making it more of a character driven drama rather than a fast paced romance. But the performance keep everything engaging. Keely Hawes delivers a restrained yet emotional performance, while Papa brings warmth and vulnerability to David's internal conflict. Another standout is Jason Watkins as the deeply devoted priest Peter, adding both seriousness and subtle humor to the story. The series also comes from acclaimed writer Jack Thorne, known for emotionally layered dramas like The Virtues and Kiri, and that emotional storytelling style is clearly visible here as well. Overall, Falling feels less like a shocking romance and more like a thoughtful exploration of loneliness, devotion, and forbidden emotion. It may be a slow burn, but for viewers who enjoy emotionally complex drama with strong performance, this series could be one of Channel 4's most talked about releases of the year. Thank you for watching. Bye.